Patience. Every giant cruise ship begins long before the first piece of steel is cut. Years of engineering. Before construction begins, engineers test every detail inside a digital twin, ensuring the vessel can. Building a floating city begins with thousands of tons of specialized marine-grade steel. Every plate is digitally tracked, and computer-controlled plasma cutters transform raw steel into thousands of precisely engineered components, each manufactured to tolerances measured in fractions of a millimeter. Robotic welding systems create thousands of structural joints with exceptional precision, forming the backbone of a vessel designed to withstand decades of relentless ocean conditions.
Powerful hydraulic presses transform flat steel into the smooth curves that define a cruise ship's hull, ensuring maximum strength, stability, and efficiency at sea.
Rather than building the ship as one enormous structure, engineers manufacture hundreds of giant modules that will later be joined together inside the dry dock.
Each deck becomes the foundation for future passenger spaces, mechanical systems, and public areas, all assembled with hidden deep inside the ship. These structural spaces provide safe movement, emergency access, and the essential framework that supports every passenger deck above. The engine room forms the mechanical heart of the ship. Its reinforced structure must safely support enormous propulsion systems while minimizing vibration throughout the vessel. To accelerate construction, entire sections of passenger accommodations are built separately before being installed as complete modules inside the ship's massive hull.
Before leaving the fabrication hall, every structural extensive inspection to ensure.
Transporting a single ship module requires extraordinary precision, with computerized transport systems carefully balancing hundreds of tons throughout the journey. Some shipyard cranes can lift thousands of tons, allowing entire sections of a cruise ship to be assembled like enormous building blocks. Joining these enormous sections demands extraordinary accuracy. Even a tiny misalignment could affect the integrity of the entire vessel. Advanced inspection technologies verify every welded joint, ensuring the completed hull performs as a single unified structure once at sea.
Piece by piece, hundreds of independently manufactured modules come together to create one of the largest passenger ships ever built.
Bow is carefully engineered to reduce water resistance, improve stability, and help the ship travel efficiently across the world's oceans. The stern houses the propulsion and steering systems, making it one of the most technically demanding sections of the entire vessel. With the bridge in place, the vessel begins to resemble the floating city passengers will one day recognize as a modern luxury cruise ship. The installation of the upper passenger decks transforms the vessel into a true floating city, adding thousands of square meters of living and entertainment space. Before heavy machinery can be installed, engineers verify that the completed structure precisely matches the original engineering design. Each cruise ship engine is an engineering masterpiece, delivering enormous power while operating continuously for voyages that can last weeks at sea. Beyond the main engines, hundreds of supporting systems work together to provide reliable propulsion, electrical power, cooling, and onboard services. Perfect shaft alignment is essential. Even the smallest deviation could reduce efficiency and create damaging vibration throughout the vessel. Modern Azipod propulsion systems provide exceptional maneuverability, allowing giant cruise ships to rotate almost effortlessly inside busy harbors. A modern cruise ship contains thousands of kilometers of electrical cable, supplying power, communications, navigation, and safety systems throughout every deck. For welcoming passengers, every electrical system is carefully tested to guarantee reliable power under every operating condition at sea.
Sophisticated climate control systems maintain fresh air and comfortable temperatures for thousands of passengers, regardless of the weather outside.
These. Hidden behind walls and beneath floors, thousands of pipes deliver clean water, fire protection, and essential services.
Rather than constructing each cabin individually, complete accommodation modules are installed, dramatically reducing construction time.
Every guest cabin is designed to deliver the comfort of a luxury hotel while meeting the demanding safety standards required for life at sea.
The Grand Atrium becomes the centerpiece of the cruise ship, welcoming thousands of guests with architecture that rivals the world's finest luxury hotels.
Preparing thousands of meals each day requires one of the largest commercial kitchens ever built inside a moving vessel.
Above the ocean, these resort-style recreation areas combine luxury engineering with advanced water management systems designed specifically for life at sea. Modern cruise ships carry world-class entertainment venues, bringing Broadway-style performances to audiences while sailing across the open sea.
Today's cruise ships are floating cities, offering shopping, fine dining, and entertainment experiences that rival many luxury destinations on land.
Every balcony is engineered to withstand powerful ocean winds while giving passengers breathtaking panoramic views throughout their voyage.
Passenger safety remains the highest priority, with every lifeboat and emergency system tested to meet the world's strictest maritime standards. With navigation, communication, and safety systems fully operational, the vessel is finally ready for...
The first float is a defining moment, proving that years of engineering and construction.
Leaving the shipyard marks the beginning of sea trials, where every major system will be tested under real operating conditions before delivery.
Sea trials push every major system to its limits, confirming that propulsion,
After completing demanding performance and safety trials, the vessel proves it is ready to safely carry thousands of passengers across the world's oceans.
navigation. Following thousands of inspections and months of testing, the completed vessel is officially delivered to its new owner.
After years of engineering and construction, the floating city finally welcomes its first guests, marking the beginning of an entirely new journey.
As the mooring lines are released, years of engineering, craftsmanship, and teamwork finally culminate in the vessel's... From the first sheet of steel to its maiden voyage, this remarkable ship now...
Every cruise ship is more than steel and machinery. It is a masterpiece of engineering, innovation.
From concept and construction to its first unforgettable voyage, the journey of building a giant cruise ship. Behind every unforgettable cruise experience is a dedicated crew working around the clock to keep one of the world's most advanced passenger
Fuels. Advanced propulsion and navigation technology allow these enormous vessels to dock with remarkable precision.
As passengers explore the island paradise, the dedicated crew maintains the vessel with military precision, ensuring every detail is perfect.
This is the captain. Advise all stations we are now underway. Cast off forward and aft.
Day and night, thousands of interconnected systems work together to keep this floating city moving safely across the world's oceans.
From the first blueprint to years of unforgettable voyages, a giant cruise ship stands as one of humanity's.
Every voyage showcases the remarkable engineering hidden beneath the luxury, where thousands of advanced systems work together.
Whether crossing vast oceans or navigating narrow coastal passages, every journey depends on the precision engineering built into every part of the vessel.
From raw steel inside a shipyard to a magnificent floating city crossing the world's oceans,
What began as an ambitious engineering vision has become a masterpiece of innovation, craftsmanship,